Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping into a world where luxury takes flight. Imagine owning a jet so large and luxurious, it could rival a five-star hotel in the sky. This is your exclusive look inside the $570 million Boeing Business Jet 747-8i, the biggest and most extravagant private jet in the world. The Boeing 747-8i isn't your average private jet. It's a reimagined version of the iconic jumbo jet we all know, but transformed into a flying palace. Measuring 250 feet long and boasting a wingspan over 224 feet, this aircraft is engineered for more than just travel. It's built for experience. With a range of 7,700 nautical miles, it can fly non-stop from New York to Hong Kong. No layovers. No compromises. Only a handful of these jets exist in private hands. We're talking about heads of state, royalty, and ultra-wealthy moguls. Hong Kong billionaire Joseph Lau famously owns one, and so do several world governments, including Qatar, Turkey, and Brunei. Each 747-8i is customized from nose to tail, reflecting the unique taste and identity of its owner. Now let's head inside, where the real magic happens. The interior spans over 4,800 square feet. That's more than many homes. You'll find private bedrooms, lavish lounges, boardrooms, gourmet kitchens, and full-sized bathrooms. Yes, with showers. Imagine waking up mid-flight, taking a hot shower, and having breakfast prepared by an onboard chef, all before your next meeting or your next adventure. Every detail is thought through. Italian leather seats that recline into beds, custom cabinetry, touchscreen lighting and climate controls, even art pieces hanging on the walls. Some jets feature cinema rooms. Others have conference spaces with encrypted communication systems. And yes, some interiors are designed by luxury firms like Alberto Pinto, turning the space into a flying penthouse. So, who really needs a jet like this? For many, it's not just luxury, it's necessity. Heads of state need privacy, security, and speed. CEOs and billionaires use them as mobile command centers, skipping commercial chaos and maximizing time. But let's be honest, part of the appeal? It's the experience, the statement, the symbol of success. In a world that's always rushing, the Boeing 747-8i offers something different. Time, space, presence. It's more than transportation. It's a sanctuary above the clouds. Would you fly on one if given the chance? If you enjoyed this exclusive look inside the $570 million 747-8i, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more journeys into the world's most incredible aircraft, yachts, and luxury homes. Drop a comment below. What's one feature you'd include in your dream jet? A gym? A library? Maybe a rooftop terrace? If that's even possible? We read every comment. And who knows, your idea might inspire our next video. Until next time.